welcome back, Lena babies, to Delana Kagan. So I am doing a hair review for you guys today. This is what I purchased from Amazon. Y'all know I'm an Amazon junkie. So this is a 3x4 lace front wig. It's 18 inches and it's 150% density. And this hair was the bomb, y'all. Just stay tuned. Okay, so when you go to Amazon, this is what you will type in. They range from 12 inches all the way up to 22. I have an 18. And this is just what it looks like. This is just what I did. I read like maybe about 20 reviews before I made sure I was going to purchase this hair. Okay, so same technique that I did before. You are going to bleach the knots to your liking, okay? Your liking. I left this on for about 10 minutes and this is my result. Then I'm going to bleach. This is the first round of bleaching. Now, honestly, bleach it to your liking, okay? I was going for the ombre effect. Therefore, I bleached it this one time. I rinsed it out, blow dried it, and then I bleached it again, just going up a little bit higher, and you will see that if you continue watching. And again, I was going for that beautiful ombre effect. Don't let it be perfect. Nothing is perfect. I love a little, raunchiness to it. You know what I'm saying, if that's the right word. No, so I don't like anything perfect, okay? That's just my style. So just stay tuned and just watch everything that I do. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave it down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you go ahead and get that ding every time I post a new video.